am Dr. Nidhi Khare. Today I am going to talk about organizational structure. No other topic in management has undergone as much change in the past few years as that of organizing and organizational structure. Managers are questioning and re-evaluating traditional approaches to organizing work in their search for organizational structures that can achieve efficiency but also have the flexibility necessary for success in today's dynamic environment. Organizing is defined as the process of creating an organization's structure. That process is important and serves many purposes. Divides work to be done into specific jobs and departments, assigns tasks and responsibilities associated with individual jobs, coordinates diverse organizational tasks, and clusters jobs into units, establishes relationships among individuals, groups, and departments, establishes formal lines of authority, and allocates and deploys organizational resources. So, what is organizational structure then? It is how job tasks are formally divided, grouped, and coordinated within an organization. When managers develop or change the structure, they are engaged in organizational design. Organizational design is a process that involves decisions about 6 elements. These elements are work specialization, departmentalization, chain of command, span of control, centralization and decentralization, and formalization. In today's lecture, I'll be taking work specialization, and rest of the 5 topics I'll be taking in the subsequent lectures. Coming to work specialization. Adam Smith first identified division of labor and concluded that it contributed to increased employee productivity. Early in the 20th century, Henry Ford applied this concept in an assembly line, where every Ford employee was assigned a specific, repetitive task. Today, we use the term work specialization to describe the degree to which tasks in an organization are subdivided into separate jobs. The essence of work specialization is that an entire job is not done by one individual, but instead is broken down into steps, and each step is completed by a different person. Individual employees specialize in doing part of an activity rather than the entire activity. When work specialization was implemented in the early 20th century, employee productivity rose initially. But when it was used to extreme, human diseconomies from work specialization like boredom, fatigue, stress, poor quality, increased absenteeism, and higher turnover more than offset the economic advantages. Most managers today see work specialization as an important organizing mechanism, but not as a source of ever-increasing productivity. McDonald's uses high work specialization to efficiently make and sell its products, and employees have precisely defined roles and standardized work processes. However, other organizations such as Ford Australia have successfully increased job breadth and reduced work specialization. But still, specialization has its place in some organizations. For example, no hockey team has anyone play both goalie and center positions. Rather, players tend to specialize in their positions. You have now seen the pros and cons of work specialization and how some companies like McDonald's use high work specialization while a company like Ford Australia has successfully increased job breadth and reduced work specialization. In the next lecture, I'll be taking departmentalization. Thank you.